good morning, hello and welcome to Maybe Classes. I am your Satya Mishra and today I am with day first of Reasoning, Analogy and Similarity series. Today is a non-verbal session of Analogy and Similarity series. We are here for the best level approaches to completing and the best level support of getting the best. Okay, so we are here with our most important question. We will practice PYQs, CGL, CHSL. Most questions I taken for the CHSL because the similarities and analogy are containing the most important questions and which give you the lot of help. Before starting the session, I want to tell you the previous video about something doubts where I have given some by mistakes. So their side on this channel I have given one rank of India, but I make in their side doubt clear. But again, I am telling you all, if you watch those series, rank of India in the environment performance, that is 176. By mistake I have given 276. I make in doubt clear at same time, but my mistake I given their side 276. So those the reality of the rank of India in the environment performance is 176, and the first rank is, you all one make comment, the first rank in the environment performance of which country and the last rank of which country. Okay, you all please make comment because this is very important. Have last rank I am telling you Vietnam have in the environment performance 24. The last rank of Vietnam is 245th have. India's rank 176th have. First rank you all one make comment and starting by E later. This also I am telling you. So today is the day first series. Day first, our part A have, this is part 1. Part 1. There are a lot of part I will make. Analogy and similarity. Okay. Analogy and similarity. Okay, clear. Analogy and similarity, day first part series, part A have of reasoning session, and we have PYQ special. This session depend on the PYQ special, means important questions we will discuss. Most questions I carried today for CHSL from 2018 examination, and a few questions by CGL 2018 or 2020, whatever have, those will come in front of you. Every questions I make in my notes. Most important questions I make and have, which will give you a lot of help in your examination. As similar question can ask by your examination, maybe this can ask as repetition because PYQ have. So let's start. Number first question, coward is related to donkey, then clever will be related to. Option here I am giving you: ant, fox, rabbit, and horse. Very important question have this. This question asked by CGL 2011. Question of CGL 2011. Any problem? Hope you don't have any problem. CGL 2011 question have. Question asking if coward related to donkey, then clever related to which animal? Already understand donkey is the animal, and donkey nature house have, coward nature have. Yes, donkey nature house have, coward nature have. We know to donkey with their coward nature. So which animal have those animal known as their cleverness nature? We know the ant to cleverness nature. No, ant have not any cleverness nature, and we don't know to ant with their cleverness nature. We know to ant with their hard work nature. Yes, with their smallness to hard work nature. Fox have, yes, fox have, but we will go for the next. Rabbit we know for their cleverness nature. No, rabbit we know with their speed nature, means the rabbit runs very fast, so we know to rabbit with their speed nature. Horse we know, no, horse we know with their very fruitfulness nature, very freely nature, strongness nature, yes or no, very wealthness nature. So here answer will be fox. As per we know, donkey nature house have coward, so fox nature which be clever nature. Got my point clear or not? Here nature of donkey is coward, so fox nature will be clever. Mind clear hai? Okay, next question. If rectangle related to 4, if rectangle related to 4, then dash dash, oh my god, dash dash related to which thing? This will be depend on option, and this question asked by CHSL 2018 examinations. CHSL combined higher secondary level 2018 tier first, tier 1 examination have this asked have. This will be depend on this type questions when asked by your examination, then you understand this question depend on option. So firstly write option. Option here given, circles circle related by 6, option number first. Option number second, triangle related by third, triangle related by third right or 3 right? 3 right better have, yes, triangle related to third. And truth, no, triangle third, truth related to lie, not have this, not have this, not have polygon. Square related to 7, square related to 7, polygon related to 2, polygon related to 2. Mind clear beta? Very proper understand. Here matter of side. Rectangle has how many sides? Oh, rectangle already may can have how many sides? 1 2 3 4 sides have. Rectangle has how many sides? 4 sides. So same option match, which option matching with their sides? Yes, shape. Rectangle is the shape and rectangle has 4 sides. Understand my point? Rectangle is the shape and rectangle containing 4 sides. Same circle, circle this have, circle containing any side? No, so first number cancel. Circle has 6 sides? No, circle has no side. Circumference have. Triangle, triangle means edge type you make triangle. Triangle, triangle has how many sides? 1 2 3, right answer, tick. But all option check. Square, square have 7 sides? No. Square have how many sides? 1 2 3 4 side, cancel. Polygon, polygon have 2 sides? No, polygon have not 2 sides. Polygon make time take, easily understand. Polygon had not 2 sides. Yes, okay. This question asked by CHSL tier first 2018. Clear? Now next question. Okay, question number 3rd. If tooth related to lie, if tooth related to lie, then which thing related to which thing? Same type. This type question depend on option as per I told. Large related small, large I am saying large related to small, pink related to color, okay. Any text coming? Wait a minute. Got my point? Any text was okay. Pink related to color, large related to hues, third have, yes beta, large related to hues. Same type beta. Advocate related to beta black. Okay beta, advocate related to beta black. This question asked by same examination CHSL Tier First 2018 beta. This question asked by CHSL 2018 beta. If tooth related to lie, what have antonym have? What have antonym have or synonyms have? Antonyms have. Yes or no? Antonym have. Here antonym is asking if truth related to lie, then same type antonym tell which related to which things have. Got my point or not? Look beta, large related to small. Large antonym small have. Large opposite small have. Pink opposite color have not, because pink is color have. Yes, right or not? So beta, large opposite huge have. Large means also this type large, and huge means this type. Both are similar have not. Advocate related to black, no. Advocate code is black. Advocate code have black. Code not code, black code. Okay beta, so answer will be first, large related to small. 2018 CHSL Tier First examination question have this. Now fourth number question. If beta truck related to vehicle beta, then same related to which beta, which thing? Answer है beta car. Once again, any call coming, emergency have, but what do? Call not accept, just a minute, I have work. Car, road have beta. Okay, road, and second is beta road to stone beta, and third is scooter to wheel have beta. Fourth is green to color. Any emergency call coming, I need 1-2 minutes, only 1-2 minutes. This CHSL 2018 question hai beta. You everyone write, just I need 1-2 minutes, only 1-2 minutes. 1-2 minutes, one emergency call have. If I will cut, then it will be disconnect, leave. Manager will come, then I will say him. Okay beta, so here truck is related to vehicle beta, then which thing related to which thing? Truck is what have? Truck is the one vehicle have. Yes or no? Truck is the vehicle have. Then car is road have. No, car runs on the road, not relation have. Here relations making. Scooter is wheel have. No beta, scooter has wheel. Okay, road is stone beta. No, road is not stone. Stone on in the road have. Yes or no? Relation similar asking. As truck is vehicle, as green is beta color. Yes, truck what have? Truck one vehicle have. So green what have? Green one color have. Right answer will be option number 4th. Important question have 2018 CHSL question have this PYQ we are solving of analogy and similarity. Get my point? Now next question. Just a minute. Emergency calls, because nobody understand this session started have, so person used to make. Okay, oh my god. Okay, next question. Square is related to perimeter. 4th. 5th. Square is related to beta perimeter. Then beta same thing which related to which thing. This question also asked by CHSL 2018. This type question solve via option. Option here what giving? Circumference circle circumference, circle, circumference, perimeter rectangle, and fourth area is triangle. Okay, this question asked by CHSL 2018. Point clear beta? If square is related to perimeter, then which option is related to second option? First, this second telling perimeter shows the length of square. Perimeter shows the length of square. Same beta, circumference shows the length of circle. Getting my point? Area not tells about the triangle, circle not tells about circumference, circumference tells about circle. Here perimeter tells about the length of square. That means this telling about this. So second option tells about the first option. So circumference, this circle है, this circumference है. Circumference tells about the length of the circle. Right or not right? Getting my point or not? Okay. This question asked by CHSL 2018. Now next question. If Thursday related to Friday, Thursday related to Friday, then dash related to dash. This question asked by beta CHSL 2018. You will think, sir, why CHSL 2018 PYQ solving beta? Because most of the questions asked in 2018. Yes. Okay, option take beta. Monday related to Tuesday, Monday related to Tuesday, and beta Friday related to Wednesday, and beta Friday related to Sunday, Friday related to Sunday beta, and Thursday related to Wednesday, Thursday related to beta Wednesday. Any problem? Okay, question asking Thursday related to Friday means Thursday after what come? Friday. So here which option come? Those after, like Monday after Tuesday, Monday after Tuesday option first right have. Second check Friday after Wednesday come? No. Friday after Saturday come? Wrong have. Friday after Sunday come? No. Friday after Saturday come. Thursday after Wednesday come? No. Thursday after Friday come. Option which right have? Number first, asked by CHSL 2018 examination. Hope you are understanding very good. Okay, next question come. Just a minute. Okay, next question. What saying? Court related to advocate, 7th number. Yes. If court related to advocate, then which thing related to which thing? Matter clear have? Restaurant waiter, restaurant waiter, and doctor hospital, then beta carnivorous lion, carnivorous carnivorous servant house. Very important question. This question also asked by CHSL 2018 beta. Matter topic both clear have? Okay. If saying court related to advocate, then which thing? Court related, advocate where goes? Advocate go in the court. Yes, second option going in the first option. So waiter where go? Waiter go in the restaurant. No. Chef go in the restaurant. Yes or no? Chef go. Chef who prepared food. Okay, so this is the wrong have. You don't understand waiter also in the restaurant have. No, waiter also have restaurant, but chef is the main have here, because advocate is the main. Justice not here saying even you think sir just have then also has type. No. Hospital go to doctor. No, doctor go to hospital. This wrong have. Lion is the carnivorous animal have. Yes, lion is the carnivorous animal have. House is a servant have. No, house is servant not have beta. House go servant home. No, wrong. So option number third right have. Eighth number question what have beta? If person related to house, if person related to house, then which thing related to which thing? Aquarium, aquarium, 1 minute. Aquarium related to fish, and the second option is beta lion related to den. Yes, as per third option related third option is nest related to parrot. Then fourth option farmer related to crop. This question also asked by CHSL department in 2018. Okay, got my point clear? Aquarium related to fish, then lion related to den, nest related to parrot, farmer related to crop. Understand? Person where lives beta? Person live in the house. First option living in the second option. So aquarium live in the fish. No, fish living in the aquarium. Second option not living in the first option. Sorry. First option not living in the second option here. Here second option living in the first option. That's why wrong have. Lion living in the den. Yes, lion living in the den. House of person is called house. Person where lives called house. Lion where live called den. Next option check. Nest live in the parrot. No, parrot live in the nest. Yes, this wrong have, because first number have living person. Second number of living place. Here also farmer living in the crop. No, wrong have. Yes or no? Here this is the living place. This is living person, living being, living place. Here also living being and living place. Got my point clear or not? Now ninth number question. This question asked by CHSL in 2018 department examination. Okay. Next two question, most important questions have both. Next, shout is related to speak. Then which thing related to which thing? Option have petrol related to fuel. Petrol related to fuel. Second option is epidemic. Epidemic related to anger. Third option is drown related to water. Fourth option is famous related to person. Okay beta, This question asked in CHSL 2018. CHSL 2018. Okay, this is loudly performance have loud performance, speaks this type, speaking, shout very clearly, huge level. So fuel is the petrol, speak is the shout have, yes or no? So fuel is the petrol have, but not much have, the similar have. This is a more have, slow, more. This relation find, yes or no? So cancel. Water drawn have, water is a few, this drawn have, cancel, wrong have. Anger means few anger, epidemic means very much anger. So this is have, slow and more. Relation have, right answer. Person famous have, this is the nature of person, not a few and extra. This question asked by CHSL in 2018. This 9th number. Okay, if police related to criminal, then which thing is related to which thing? Question asked by CHSL 2018. Matter clear? Option number first, what giving? Sister is related to woman. Okay, teacher related to teaching, teacher related to teaching. Option third, related to doctor, related to patient. Doctor related to patient. Advocacy related to advocate. Advocacy related to advocate. Matter clear? Okay, here saying police related to criminal, you understand, police catch to criminal, then sister catch to man, no, cancel. Teacher catch to teaching, no, because teacher works at the teaching performance, yes or no? So doctor catch to patient, yes. Criminal, police catch to criminal to get the relief on the cases. Same doctor catch to the patients to get relief on the diseases. So this option will be right. Advocacy is the work of advocate, not is the relation. So this answer also wrong. This question asked in CHSL 2018, the most important question have. Okay, so now we have completed the first reasoning session with our extreme level of completion. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can ask by any all the given question from 1 to 10. Which question we have given all the questions on, depending of the PYQs of SSC department. Hope you don't have any kind of doubt. So thank you so much to watching the best session of day first series reasoning. I'm your Satyam Mishra. Best of luck. Jai Hind.